Welcome to this CyberKen blog post about touring a WordPress blog. This part is about the back end of a WordPress blog. In part 1, we noted that to get to the controls of a blog, you need to go to the back end. So I'm going to show you how to get to the back end from the front end of CyberKen blog. Over here on the right hand side, you scroll down to the very bottom to the meta section, and you click on the login link. I have already preset my password, so I'm going to click on the login button, and that takes me to my dashboard. The dashboard is the word for the control center of the blog for editing posts. Well, the first thing I'd like to show you over here is the ease with which WordPress can be updated. If you click here on Updates, you will see a listing of any updates that are necessary. Now, mine is currently up to date, so I can't show you how it's done, but it's very easy simply to click on the Update Automatically button after having backed up your files in case there's a problem. And it automatically updates in a matter of seconds. It's really handy. Much easier than other content management systems to keep your software updated. And by the way, the updates are free. Then also, let me show you the site stats. One advantage of a content management system is that it gathers statistics automatically, and I have installed a plugin which reports my statistics to me, showing me on a bar graph how many people visited my CyberKen blog on a given day. And using this graph, I can tell which of my posts are more popular than others, and I can alter my posting accordingly in the future. Very handy. Returning again to the left-hand margin, this posts link is very important. Beginning at the top are more recent posts, chronologically ordered towards the bottom, and by clicking on any one of those, the title of a post, you can edit it. You can edit it visually, as you see here. That post page is presented in a kind of what you see is what you get manner, including the pictures that are inserted. And that page is composed by buttons that are very like word processor buttons, including buttons for inserting pictures and also videos. And if you run into some problems in the way that the page presents and you know some HTML code, you can click on this HTML tab, and it presents the HTML code of that page, and then you can alter it as necessary. Returning again to the left side of the dashboard, let's talk about links a moment. Links. Here are the links on my blog site, and the title of the link is shown in bold, and you can edit the link here. This is where you would put the URL of that link. Now, where on the page is that link going to be presented? Here, under the categories, is where you decide that. And notice that I have checked the blog roll box, so that when I update this link over here by clicking to the right on the update link, it will automatically that link will automatically show up under the blog roll category on my right hand margin. It's all very automatic and easy to do. You don't have to worry about coding to show things in the right place. WordPress software automatically structures your pages for you. It's really wonderful. Alright, let's return again to the left hand margin and talk about pages. My blog has just 2 pages, one about the author and one about this blog, but you can have many pages, as many as you want really, and you would create a new one by clicking on the Add New button here. And then that invites you to enter content, pictures, text, video here in this box as we talked about before. And when you're all finished, you go over here to the Publish button and click Publish. And what you get is a new page that is accessible by your horizontal navigation bar at the top of your blog site. And that's all automatically done for you. You don't need to worry about how to code a menu. WordPress software automatically adds the page in the right place. Let's return again to the left-hand side and talk about appearance. Everybody's worried about appearance. They want a really nice looking website. And appearance in WordPress is controlled by themes. Themes are packages of WordPress coding that impose a certain look to your blog site. Determining the colors, for instance, of the background, the type fonts used on the page, and the structure of the page, whether it has 2 columns or 3 columns, etc. So when you want to change the look of your website, what you do is you go up here to Install Themes. Then you look for themes, and you can do that by keyword here. I'm going to enter into that digital and search for all the themes that pertain to digital, and it found 3 in the library, online library of WordPress. So I can explore any of these themes and see what they look like. By clicking on a preview button, I can see what that theme might look like for me. Now, of course, the content's going to be different in my case, but you can see basically what the colors would be and the structure of that theme.